Imagine a sauce made from vinegar, molasses, fermented fish, tamarind, garlic, onion, and spices. Two British pharmacists in 1837 mixed it, trying to replicate a flavor brought from colonial India, and the result, it was awful. They abandoned it in the basement. Months later, they tried again, and it had transformed into something extraordinary. A liquid mistake turned into a symbol of an empire.
Historical context.
Yeah, the year was 1837, so the British Empire was at its height. The Industrial Revolution was in full force. Railways, steamships, global trade routes, and along with gunpowder and textiles, Britain experienced something else: taste. Yeah, taste is kind of impossible, no? But that's what happened. This strange fermented sauce blended Eastern ingredients with Western technique. It wasn't just a flavor. It was a bold ideology, one that combined colonial extraction with industrial branding, and it worked.
Global expansion.
By 1838, the sauce was being bottled and sold commercially. It had a name that was hard to pronounce and even harder to spell: Worcestershire sauce, also known as Worcester sauce. Worcester. Its creators, Lea and Perrins, were pioneers. They registered a trademark, kept the recipe secret, and exported the sauce worldwide. It traveled in the same ships as tea, tobacco, and maps of new colonies. It became a favorite in British officers' clubs, New York restaurants, and eventually global supermarkets.
Soft power and legacy.
During the Second World War, Winston Churchill included it in the British Army rations. Why? Because even soldiers in the trenches needed a taste of home, and home by then had fermented fish and tamarind in its DNA. Today, it's part of Bloody Marys, steak tartare, hamburgers, marinades. Yes, the empire is gone, but this sauce still lives on, quietly reminding us that not all colonial legacies are monuments. Some are condiments. So the next time you reach for that dark bottle with the Victorian label, are you just adding flavor to your food or serving up a spoonful of empire? I'm Gus Pérez, this is the State Machine.